Here's the truth about passive income. It's not truly passive at the beginning. Every income stream demands work, time, or money up front. Those influencers you follow, they don't share the long hours of effort that built their success stories. But when set up right, passive income is an incredibly powerful financial tool, and by 2026, getting started is easier than ever. In this video, we'll cut through the noise and clarify what passive income really means with real-life examples, timelines, and 4 beginner-friendly income streams. No exaggeration, just the facts. Part 1. Understanding passive income in 2026. According to the IRS, passive income includes earnings from rental activities or businesses where you're not actively involved. Think of it as money flowing in after you've done the heavy lifting, like rent from properties, sales of digital products, or returns from older investments. It's crucial to highlight that this does not mean zero effort. It's about putting in the hard work initially. Shocking statistic: only 20% of U.S. households earn passive income, with the average bringing in only $4,200 a year, about $350 a month. That's not enough to replace a full-time income. Recent research from Autofaceless.ai shows that while 72% of Americans are looking for extra income, just 12% manage to bring in more than $500 each month, treating passive income like a business, not a quick and easy escape. Part 2. 4 beginner-friendly passive income streams. Let's explore 4 accessible, high-potential passive income streams identified by ideaproof.io. Stream 1. Digital products. Think ebooks, templates, and other digital files that can be sold repeatedly. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website can help you get started. Beginners might earn between $100 to $500 a month, while experienced marketers have the potential to pull in over $10,000. Barrier to entry: low. You'll mainly need free tools, no inventory or shipping hassles. Stream 2. Affiliate marketing. This is all about endorsing products and getting commissions in return. Join networks like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale and start earning around $200 to $2,000 a month as a beginner, especially if you leverage SaaS tools with ongoing commissions. The beauty here? A well-crafted blog or video can earn for years, but you'll need to build a loyal audience to really cash in. Barrier to entry: low, but you need a solid audience to make it work. Stream 3. YouTube ad revenue. Create videos that stand the test of time to reap ad income. Channels focused on finance typically see $8 to $20 CPM. Newer channels might start earning $50 to $300 monthly, with potential for more as you expand your content library. Barrier to entry: time. Many quit too soon before seeing results, so stay consistent. Stream 4. Dividend investing. This involves buying shares in companies that pay dividends. If you invest $30,000 with a 4% yield, expect around $100 monthly before taxes. It's fully passive post-purchase, but you'll need significant capital to see substantial returns. In 2026, dividend stocks are competitive and can be a great long-term investment. Part 3. The biggest myth for beginners. The myth goes, "I'll launch multiple income streams at once." While it sounds tempting, this often leads to spreading yourself too thin. Each income stream requires focused effort to become truly passive. Research backs this up. It's smarter to dedicate yourself to one stream fully before moving on to the next. Build one, then tackle the next. Part 4. Realistic timelines for each stream. Digital products can generate income in just 1 to 3 months with effective creation and marketing. Affiliate marketing typically takes 3 to 6 months. Focus on building your audience first. YouTube monetization is the slowest, taking 6 to 18 months. Consistency is crucial. Dividend investing offers immediate earnings, but growth is gradual. Investing $30,000 at 4% means you'll see $100 monthly, but this needs to build over time. Part 5. The key to success. Success lies in treating passive income like a business. It's not solely about the income streams or tools, but your mindset. Those who succeed front-load their efforts and build efficient systems. In 2025, side hustlers made an average of $2,038 monthly, working minimal hours because they created products once and let them generate income. The journey to passive income is about picking one stream, committing to it, and being consistent. There are plenty of tools and platforms available. You just need to take the first step. Passive income truly is within reach, built on your commitment. The successful 12% didn't outsmart anyone. They simply executed their plans consistently. So, what streams can you start today? The 4 accessible avenues are digital products, affiliate marketing, YouTube, and dividend investing. That's the Making Money Online series, complete. 3 episodes, 3 layers of online income, skills-based, AI-powered, and passive. The full picture of what making money online actually looks like in 2026. If this series helped you, share it with one person who needs it. Not for us, for them. Subscribe for weekly videos, and comment below. Which of these 4 passive income streams are you most interested in starting? Drop it below, and I'll personally reply with your best first step. This is Funds and Future, the financial education you never got in school. Thank you for watching the whole series. See you next week.